Cream contouring products have always scared the stuffings out of me. So why am I going to be talking about one and demoing it on camera? Because of Charlena's review. I'll link that here as well as in the description box below. Charlena is South Asian like me, very, very in origin, and very, very similar in skin tone and attitude, I must say. And after seeing her review, I knew I had to buy it. So what is it? This is Huda Beauty's Tantour Contour and Bronzing Cream, £26, 5 shades ranging from fair, light, medium to tan and rich. And I picked the shade medium because Charlena picked the same shade. So she's baklava in the Huda Beauty 450 foundation and I'm face lettuce, so I thought I could pull it off. So it comes, as you probably know already, in this absolute shite external plastic box. And the inside looks like this. You know, the Desert Dusk palette and the first Rose Gold palette came in cardboard packaging. I don't know why on earth she had to go for plastic after that. So as I said, 5 shades, and I picked medium, which looks like this, which scared the stuffings out of me when it first came, despite Charlena's review. And I'll swatch that very quickly for you. How on earth is this going to be a contour or a bronzer on me, you ask? This is Hula Toasted, not Hula Light, not Hula Caramel, the deepest Hula bronzer from Benefit, and it looks like this. So obviously this one is deeper. The Tantour is deeper. I'll swatch Toasted by the side for you, and I don't use Toasted because it's too deep for me. So that's Hula Toasted on top and Tantour beneath. And as you can see, Tantour is deeper. It is the deepest contouring product, the deepest bronzing product I have owned or seen. And it obviously scared the stuffings out of me until I tried it out. Here's a demo. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Bacon Blend brush to begin with and blend it out with a sponge after that. So that much is enough for both sides. And for the sides of my nose, this is about, I've never contoured my nose before. And a bit on the jawline. I'm not going to bother with forehead because I already have a fringe for any warmth and shadow that I want. So that isn't going to work out fully with the brush, so let's try a sponge. Yeah, much better. And because the sponge is black, you won't get colour on the sponge. Let's see what happens if I go a bit deeper. So I like a bit more at the very top. Yeah. Now let's diffuse that out with a sponge. Let's define that edge a bit. Now let's use this as a bronzer. Can I just say that I haven't managed to blend out a powder contour so easily and so beautifully. So this is completely unlike any other contouring or bronzing product that I've seen in my life. I'm very oily skinned for reference, NC37 skin tone, 3 leches in Huda Beauty's 4 filter foundation. I could probably go in with butter pecan given that I'm slightly tanned. But you know, that's all right. I mean, 3 leches isn't a bad match. I'm wearing it right now. The thing is, this one dries so utterly powdery matte, marvelous, and is a dream to blend. It blends out beautifully with a sponge, as you saw. With a brush, it's a bit more, you know, I mean, it doesn't, I preferred it with a sponge to diffuse the edges. It does blend out with a brush, yes, but the sponge diffuses it beautifully. It dries wonderfully. It holds well over powder as well as over liquid foundation. I've tried both. Dries beautifully, stays on marvelously, does not enhance pores, acne scars, texture, lines, anything at all. Are you listening, Charlotte Tilbury? The Glow Gasm ruined my texture, emphasized my acne scars, pitted acne scars, pores, and all the problems and flaws that I had on my skin. This one does not do any of that. Despite how scary it looks, you saw how light it looks at the end here, the finished thing. It's not at all scary. It's a light contour. I can go in deeper and have a more dramatic contour if I want, or I can go in with something, you know, this light, just a very subtle contour. I can avoid highlighter completely and just have a bit of dimension there in the hollows of my cheeks rather, or I can go in with blush, bronzer, highlighter, the works, and have a nice, you know, glowy look. Right now, I've done, as you saw, no blush. I didn't want to, you know, have blush to affect how this looked when I showed it to you, so I avoided blush. I only went in with some highlighter and nothing else. I think this is my absolute favorite contouring product because of so many reasons. First of all, it goes on very well over foundation, whether liquid, powder, or, you know, cream. And the second reason is that it dries beautifully matte. It does not dry greasy, which is a problem that I've had with a lot of cream products. Thirdly, it is a dream to blend out, absolute dream. It's very, very easy to blend this one out. Fourthly, it does not enhance pores, texture, pitted acne scars, lines, anything at all. And despite how scary this looks, I could probably have pulled off light as well, definitely, because, you know, this went on too deep. But it blends out so amazingly, wonderfully. I wasn't expecting it to do that. I thought I'd have to, you know, dig with a blending brush, but I didn't have to do any of that. It blended out so easily. Absolute dream. Genius product. This has to be my favorite product from Huda after her 4 filter foundation and her new nudes palette and the liquid mattes. I'm not, you know, in love with the Obsessions palettes because, you know, the Amethyst palette I really liked, the Emerald I didn't like, so it's been like that. The Power Bullet matte lipsticks, I liked one, I didn't like the other. I didn't love her concealer very much. It was nice, but, you know, not, you know, wow, my absolute favorite concealer genius product, the Overachiever Concealer. No, I wasn't too wowed by it. I prefer the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer to this one. So, but this one, absolute favorite contouring and bronzing product. Genius. I have no idea what makes this formula so special, but special it is. Another thing, this is fully oil free. It has silicones there. So if you are, you know, oily skinned, if you hate your cream contour, if you love your cream contour, if you love your powder contour, if you don't love your powder contour, if you're scared of contouring, if you love your contour, if you love your bronzer, either way, depth and dimension, some definition to your face, cheekbones, the works. Huda Beauty, Tantour, contour and bronzer cream. Absolutely fantabulous product. I haven't been so wowed by a formula in a long while. So those are my thoughts on this product. I'd love to know what your favorite contouring / bronzing / definition / warmth product is. Do tell me that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. And please do ring the notifications bell below so that you can stay updated. And I'll speak to you in my next video.